Some racing news, there are calls from local stakeholders for the resurfacing of Jamaica's premier motorsports facility, the Dover Raceway. Damon Dunkley reports.
With 11 events, including race meets and other club activities, still scheduled to take place at Jamaica's motorsports racing mecca, the nation's drivers are clamoring for the 36-year-old racetrack to be resurfaced. One young driver, Jordan Richard Lamb, who is now living his childhood dream of racing at the Dover Raceway, says the track is posing significant challenges for drivers and needs improvement.
So it is a very tricky track. It does get some use. You have to really get used to it in order to get a proper time or position in any event. So even with the corners and a few straights, the track does need a bit of resurfacing in order to comfortably drive, or for all drivers to have that proper feeling of the car. So with that said, apart from that, I think resurfacing is a good, it should be considered.
Check by TVJ Sports with Stephen Gunter, the chairman of the Jamaica Millennium Motoring Club, which sanctions all race meet in Jamaica, indicate that the Dover track has not been resurfaced since 1989 when it was laid.
It's not that it's not safe. If it was not safe, the JMFC would not sanction events there. As I mentioned in my previous answer, it is a special compound for racing surfaces. So it is designed for longevity. Typically, it is designed for up to 50 years without maintenance. It does need a resurfacing, what they call a microsurfacing, but it does not need to be fully paved at this time.
Although the track needs resurfacing, Stena Somerville, one of Jamaica's top 2 circuit drivers, emphasized that Dover's unique layout and challenging terrain makes it a standout among other racing circuits worldwide.
It's not a track you see nowadays. We've been racing in Europe all year and you don't see a track like this, and a track like this teaches you so much. It is a little scary to get your head around it at first and how to manage the track, but when you do it's the most satisfying thing to complete a lap and know that you probably just completed a lap on probably one of the most dangerous and one of the most intense tracks in the world.
Veteran circuit driver Doug Hollywood Gore, a multiple Caribbean champion, says the Jamaica Race Drivers Club JRDC have launched a major revitalization effort aiming to bring back high-level competition to the Dover Raceway.
You know, they have track days all over the world. And when I say all over the world, I do mean all over the world, and we don't have one here. We've been talking about it as the executive and mentioning, say, why don't we have one? Why don't we have everybody that can drive from them Probox to them Corolla to them Mercedes-Benz and BMWs come out here now and have fun at Dover on the track, sanctioned, and actually come and have some fun. We'll have the ambulances, we'll have the wreckers. You come there, you put on your helmet, and you go out there and you drive.
Only time will tell how soon the aging track will be resurfaced. Damon Dunkley reporting for TVJ Sports.